brand new update just came out, and they added some VHS tapes, and you gotta find them out, and you put them into that machine thingy over there. I found one, because I'm too stupid to find the other ones. Let's go find some more. You hit this VHS tape that like Mines, Haunted House, Lab. See, I found the lab. And then I don't know where to find the lobby one yet. I found lab though. Also, I don't know what these are supposed to do. But it shows everything in the lab. What if I go in to the lab? Oh, now it shows me. Oh, I'm moving around too. That's cool. Okay. Home. I can't find the lobby, and I don't know which. Well, I know what this one is. This is this thingy, or Creative Studios, and I figured it was in here. But I looked around. I mean, I don't really think it's in here because I can't find it. So, bro, I just found it after I'm recording the video. Bruh. You stupid bee just did, bruh. I'm so freaking blind. Now, I found it. Now I just gotta find the name. What is Backlots? Is that it? Do you guys think that might be it? Backlots? What is Foundation? Oh, it is the Backlots. I just guessed that. Backlots. 0 players. Okay. I don't know what these are for. I think it's just to explore and see where people are and stuff. Yeah, it's just, oh, it's a map. Okay. Map. What is this? Treat like this is sewers. Just get all of these ones around it. That's the forest, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe the dark forest. I don't know. There's a campfire. So I have a feeling this is the forest one. Or something else. And this is the dark forest, and then Haunted Mansion. So dark forest and then Haunted Mansion. What is this? What are you? And it leads to another thingy. What are all these little rooms? What are you? Oh. Oh, you know what this might be? Okay, I know. Oh, why is this called the Backlots though? That's what I want to know. And I don't know what these are. Oh, actually, I think this is the Foundation. What is this though? That's Mines. And then this is... I mean, no, that's Caves. No, that's Mines, and then Caves is this one, I would say. What is Office Basement? Office, lobby. Okay, we need to find the lobby one. Okay, we need to find the lobby one. I feel like it would be down here. Is this it? Nope. Up here. What is wrong with my arm? This arm is fine. What is wrong with this one, bro? Horror. That's just snow. Snow. Behind something maybe? Ooh, what's up the fan? I don't know. Up here. Oh, what? Where could this thing be? Oh, the other gaming station up there. I forgot about that. Maybe it's up here with the other gaming thingy. Yep, right here. Oh yeah. Sky. Okay. This one inside of lobby. Lobby. Whoa. What is this? Oh, that's the lab. I already unlocked this. Oh, yeah, it is unlocked. The lab. And then here's... that's office. Mines? What is this done? Oh, that leads to the ocean, or whatever it was called. And then this is... Oh, that's the bug cave. I forgot that was called. Oh, that's cave! This is cave, and then this is mines. And then here's office, and then here's sewers, and whatever this one's called. And this is called the forest. And it leads into the dark forest. Okay, let's find... There's one right here, which I don't know what it is. What is that one? This maybe? No, I don't think so, right? I don't think it would be that. What would it be? Oh! Cave. Definitely cave. Yeah, definitely cave. And then here's mines. Let's go get maybe a cave, or not cave, mines. Let's go get the mines one. That one might be easier because it's right there next to us, but let's get the mines and then we'll go over somewhere else. Should have probably bought a flashlight. Probably should have brought a flashlight. Look at the VHS tape here. On top of these, maybe. I feel like it would be on top of these, because at the bottom maybe? Oh, I would not want to go down with that. Okay, let's go get a flashlight first. Oh, it's right there. Missed it. Got it. Let's go. Now I gotta head back up. He's still in there. I'm going all the way up. Oops, too far. Okay, right here. Let's head back to the lobby. Yeah, they had this new service and we could buy stuff too. But I think that came out a while ago. I just didn't see it. But now we put this. Need this for later. We're gonna put these in mine. Wrong one. Oh. What happens if I put in the wrong one? Hello? Did I just scammed? Give my VHS tape back. I just lost the VHS tape. Alright, let's just go for another one, I guess. Let's go for the... Let's go here. See the area that it should be in. Okay, so we walk into here. There's a staircase, so it should be somewhere around here. This spot. And where does this spot lead to? Oh, I forgot there's an elevator. No. Oh, that leads... Oh, wait. Yeah, that just leads into here. Pretty sure. There's two spots for some reason now. Pretty sure because there's an elevator that leads into here. Yeah, and then... Okay, so it should be in this small area. So let's just go there. And they'll say we can find it. is on. We need to check in this one small area. Oh, this is not gonna be a small area. It's gotta be in this spot, right? Is there? It should be down here. I feel like it would definitely be down here. Chair, oh, right here maybe? Oh. Uh-oh. Pretty sure we do have to go up the thing here. Where is it actually? Oh. Okay, you've definitely been here then. That's blocked off, so we can't go there. They would have put it like somewhere right here along the hallway. And not yet, that's the elevator. Oh, here's green. Found it! Let's go! Purple spot had the VHS tape on. Okay, now I just gotta head back. I thought it would be like somewhere down there. That's like an easy but good spot to put it. Didn't think you would put it on. Okay, let's put it in office. Where's office? Office right here. Please go in the right spot. Yes. Oh, we get money from doing that? I did not see that last time. Oh yeah. They both lead to office. Okay. Oh yeah, cause it, okay. I see. But there's also an elevator somewhere on the side over here. Whoa! Where the heck did we come from? Oh, that's right here. Yeah, that just leads into this area. Now that we've unlocked all of this, we can lift. Oh, we came from in here. Yeah. I don't know why it's still kind of broken. Oh, because we need to find the VHS tape that's in here. That's why. Oh my god, it's gonna be such a pain. Like this part right here. We already unlocked this, but because we're back in here now. We come through here, climb up these, and just go to here. Wait, no, that's different. That's a different spot. There's two elevators? Two elevator shafts? What? Oh, I know the spot. Okay, yeah. That... We went into here, I think. Yeah. No, we came from here, right? Okay, yeah, I don't understand this. I'm out of here. Just go back to the lobby. And then, oh yeah, that's so cool. It showed me where I am. And then, let's go. We missed it? We missed the one that was in here. What? Do we have to take the elevator? Is that why? Okay, yeah. Well, somehow we unlocked that. But let's go to cave, I guess. I hate that spot. It's so freaking creepy in there. I'll take a gun with me just in case. I guess I need to, blast one of those little freaking Kirby looking at things out of the way. I already don't like this. I hate this already. Oh, I can already hear bouncing. All I gotta do is find a VHS tape and get out. That's it. No creeping and crackling and stibbity stabbity. None of that. Is that two landmines right next to each other? The heck is that? Oh, I am not going. Secret spot. It has to be in the secret spot. It has to. Please tell me it's in here. Oh, I just freaking slammed into something. Please tell me it's in here. It's not. Oh, God, please, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, I need to come in here. All I gotta do is walk up. There we go. On a flare gun. I mean, just in case I need that, I can shoot it. Please tell me it's over here. It is! Yes! I'm out of here, bro. I'm not coming back in here. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Let me out of this place. I don't want to die! Let me out of here. Okay, we made it. Oh my god. I'm scared. I hate those freaking things, bro. Okay, it should be cave. Cave right here. Yeah. Okay, so apparently, yeah, this is the only spot. Okay. Wow. This is cool. Oh, I think I know why they make maps, so you can see what. Okay. So if you have a spot unlocked, since every week or every Tuesday they switch up maps, just in case you just want to go playing around in some of the maps, they made it so you can see the map if you have it unlocked and see what it looks like before you go in. That's cool. Yeah, this is where I got the VHS tape. This spot right here. And then you would go up and then just run the sides. Oh, it even shows the secret spots. Yeah, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cool. This it even shows the little board that was in that one. This one shows the piles and stuff. It has some items and you can sell inside. This one has the etchings on the side of the walls, which you can kind of see right there. And then this one, I forgot what was in this one. I think it's just a couple items. Nothing special. And then they have the lava spots, which is really cool. It's so detailed. Wait, can I go back there real quick? How do I? Right here. Cave. If I go back to cave, does it also show? It shows under the water. Does it show the caves that lead into the monster area? No, it doesn't. Oh, actually, yes, it does. It shows kind of like. Oh, it does! You can see the little cave stuff. How it goes around and it shows another one that goes like this. And then in this area right here. Right here is where the monster is. That is so cool. It even shows the freaking pipes. Or in the, not the pipes, the caves. That is so cool. What is this? What is this one? Oh, that's sewers, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Get me out of here. Oh, actually, this might not be sewers. I don't know what that is. There's a lot of many things. Okay, now we've unlocked these. Somehow I did not unlock caves. Don't know how. Or, okay, not caves, mines. I didn't unlock this one either somehow. Oh wait, I didn't unlock this one because I accidentally put in the wrong one. This one, I don't even know how I didn't unlock that one. This is just, oh, this even shows the hole that leads down. I hate going to sewers now, bro. Because that new big-headed monster, bro. Okay, let's head over to here. And this is the Easter spot, I'm pretty sure. Or the cave area. Okay. Let's go. Okay, I just gotta find it. Oh god. Just look for a purple light actually, because I'm pretty sure that's where it always is. When it's dark, it shows a purple light. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Please turn daytime. Is that the monster? No, that's a big guy. If I step in here, will he spawn? Yup. Unless it's big. If it's a big guy. Yup, nope, that's the walking tree. Nope. Please turn daytime. Is that him right there? No, he's gone. Oh, I hate the whispering though. Freaking gives me green hell, low sanity vibes. I hate this. I hate coming over. Yes! Okay. VHS. There it is. Let's go. And then give me this, which is be a firework. It is not. But, here you go, big fatty. Did I actually hit? I actually kind of hit something. I forgot what it was. I think that was big some. I forgot his name. I think that was Armstrong. I think his name was. His name is Armstrong. I forgot his name. Crap! Now we have to go to sewers. Actually, no, we don't. We still have one more. What is this one? Forest. This has to be forest. Please be forest. Yes! Give me watch forest now. Whoa! Oh, it doesn't show the trees, but it shows like the campsite. Wait, there's a boarded up spot over here? I did not know that. Here's the bunny spot. Or bunny. Not bunny. The chicken spot. And then down here is the dog forest, which we're gonna have to go check out in another video, because I'm gonna be checking one. I'm gonna be getting at least 2 every day until we collect the entire map. We're just trying to get as many as we can, or at least the starter ones like these. And I don't know how I didn't get this one, but I got the other office spot. But we can try to get 2. Is this one? That's okay. Oh, that's mine. I got that one, but like, crap. Now we have to go down. Wait, what is this? The heck is that? What is that one? Wait, hold up. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh wait. Come back. This one. It's near forest. Let's go to lobby. What other ones do we not have? These. And then this one down here. Oh, and this one. That's it. Hold up. Let's go back. You know, this might be. Yeah, that's the pond area. And then these are the spots I don't want to talk about. because I hate going to them. Hate the yes, it's the vents. And then here's the vents again. No. Pipes. Yeah, these are pipes, pretty sure. Yeah, so we go to the caves, and then here's this giant freaking cave pipe system. Then it leads into this area, which I also kind of hate. And then here's this spot, and then we go up, which leads to the next area. And then we go down. Oh no, we come up, and then, I don't know. Actually, I don't even know what this is anymore. For some reason, we go up. But I know this is the pipes, and then this is the dropping area. Or where we come from. So we gotta go get sewers, cave, or mines, and this one. So let's head for this one here. Because that seems the most non-lethal one, non-scary one, and the easiest one. It's either gonna be a purple light or just somewhere random. Why is the water dead? Oh, I see, bro. It's in the freaking stuff. Freaking crash. Well, if it's out of one of the ships, I'm not going to crash because I hate going into those. It's so freaking annoying. No? What? No, shot's not anywhere. What? It's not I don't even know what the frick they call this. That's a Beeps reference. Where is VHS? Maybe I'm not sure. Because this ship is. Uh-oh. Down that far. Please don't. Where's that going? I swear, bro, it's on top of the dam up there. Y'all see that, right? It's not me. It's not just me, right? Please tell me. Please. Please tell me that's not me. Oh, that's a pretty light already. Oh my god. So, we gotta go climb this entire thing to get a VHS tape, and then head back to the lobby without dying. Oh my god. I guess I've been here 1,000 times and explored a bunch, so I know a way to get up. Or actually, quite a bit of ways to get up. You could just freaking run it up like this. Or you could take it the hard way. Which I kind of hate doing. Actually, I've done it before. Or actually, the easiest way is probably just to get one of those launchers. Get like a friend or two. And then just get them to launch you up. And then once you're done, go back down. As I was saying, you come back down after you get the VHS tape. to get in? I hate this. How the heck am I supposed to get in? Oh, actually, it's, you know. Why am I doing this with one hand? I keep putting my hand in my chest because I didn't want to do this with one hand. Yes. Never mind. No. Fuck. God. What's the? Oh shit. No. Okay. Alright, there it is. That was the worst jump I've ever done. I always use any item I can find. A little bit longer for it to fit in my hand. I just start using it. Get fast. Yes. Bro, what is that? I swear, bro. If there is, oh my. We have to find a key. Why? Freaking. Where do I get the key? Where am I supposed to get a key from? This is my first time playing the freaking update. Where am I supposed to get a freaking key from? What? Huh? What do they want me to do, bro? You really... Where am I supposed to get a freaking key from, bro? Please tell me the keys are at least on and not down there. Key. Where's the key? Where? Oh my god, I think it's down there, bro. Oh, okay, I hate this game. I don't actually. Say whatever you do. Break something. Where do I get a key? Okay, whatever. This is not the most. I don't care if this is the most non-lethal. Actually, wait. My head hurts from a stupid head strap. Oh my god. Please, God, there's a white light. It's in here. The key's in here. It is! Now we just gotta head. So is that the lowest point of the map? Or not the lowest point, the lowest part of this area. And it's at the spot at the highest. What if I just do a little jumpy glitch? So I just come up here and just go. Actually, that did work. Oh my god. No! I finally made it, bro. Also, I don't know why the freaking key is yellow. Please. It does! Yes! Oh, better use a jump boost. That worked very, very greatly. This is so annoying. I swear, if I put this in the wrong one on accident, we're saving it for the next video. Lake. Oh, yes! Thank you, God. This thing is so annoying. Get rid of it right. Where the heck did the container that was in go? And then where's the container? What? Where's the container? Huh? Where's the container that I found the key in? Oh, it's right here. Container from the key. So the container where I found the key is there, but the container I found the VHS tape is in. Pretty weird. Home. Now we gotta find the last one. Besides mines. But I already got that one. And I lost it. So that dumb. I need to bring flashlight. Hey, buddy. Oh my god, flashbang. Big-headed monster is right there. So I'm gonna get a big flashlight and a little flashlight for me. He's right there. Oh, you left a maggot. Oh. Headset slow. I need to find this stupid VHS tape. Because that thing is freaking annoying. Where is this VHS tape? Please tell me it's out here. And not in here. Oh, it blew up! Pretty good. Let's head down here. Please tell me it's down here. Wait, no, this is a whole different area. This is it. Oh, that has to be in. My butt. Oh, shoot. I don't see purple light. Is that purple? That's not purple. Why is that red? Huh? What? Why is that red? Oh, shoot. I can freeze it. I can freeze it for a few seconds to go look around. Shoot it. Where's the VHS tape? Oh, shoot, he's okay, he's alive. This motherfucker. It's not here, it's not here. Let me out, let me out, let me out. I'm in this way, I'm in this way. It's not there either. What? Where could it be? I mean, there's a red light up there. What does that mean? It's not Oh, my controller died. Okay, guys, well, that's gonna be in this video, because I can't freaking get those. We'll try to get that next time. See you guys in the next one. Bye.